This is GYEON rim. It will protect your wheels against upcoming brake dust and will keep your wheels clean for longer. Let's see how it works. Before applying GYEON rim on your wheels, it's really important you have protective gloves. After that, you can start by decontaminating the wheels. We advise you to use GYEON iron or GYEON tar to remove any contaminants on the wheel. After that, we can start by prepping the surface. GYEON Prep is the product to go for this procedure. Then we can start coating the wheels. When you start applying GYEON rim on the wheels, make sure you put a moderate amount of the product on your suede applicator and start spreading the product on the wheels. Make sure you make an even and consistent layer. When you proceed, do it in smaller sections and use a minimum of 2 towels for takeoff. When applying GYEON rim, make sure you don't start applying the product on the whole rim. Try to do it in smaller sections, and to give you a reminder, take some tape, put it on the tire so you will see where you started and where you will end. It will make life easier.